Hello, I'm in a 2007 Dodge Nitro, and today I'm going to show you to open the trunk. So first, you want to make sure your vehicle is actually unlocked fully, which from your key you can just push the unlock buttons. You'll also find on the doors these, so just make sure it's all unlocked. And then from here, right in the middle here, there's a lever that you pull and just lift, and it's got these hydraulics, so it just pulled itself up the rest of the way. So you can see the back here too if it's getting stuck. Right inside here, if you open it up, there should be a release lever you can pull to help open it. Otherwise, make sure there's no gunk or anything in here. Might need a little grease and WD-40 to loosen it. And that's what that hooks onto there. And then that's what the bottom of this little lever looks like. So you might also want to check this, make sure there's a little tension here. Make sure nothing's broken underneath here or needs retightened or attached. But otherwise, hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.